Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw forms from Typeform to Salesforce, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw forms from Typeform to Salesforce, first, ensure you have an active Typeform account and a Salesforce account. Log in to your Typeform account. Select the form you want to withdraw data from. Navigate to the Connect panel on the left side of the screen. Click on the Salesforce integration option. If you haven't connected Typeform to Salesforce yet, you will need to authorize the connection. Follow the prompts to log into your Salesforce account and grant necessary permissions. Once connected, return to your Typeform integration settings. Select the specific Salesforce object you want to send data to, such as leads or contacts. Map the fields from your Typeform to the corresponding fields in Salesforce. Review your mappings to ensure accuracy. Save your integration settings to maintain the connection. To test the connection, fill out your Typeform as if you were a user. Submit the form and check your Salesforce account to confirm the data has been transferred. If everything is in order, the integration is successfully set up. For ongoing forms, the integration will automatically transfer data from submissions to Salesforce. You can also set up notifications in Salesforce to track these submissions effectively. Make sure to regularly review how the data appears in Salesforce to ensure it meets your expectations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.